Hello and welcome back to our channel Norina with decor, your favorite spot. A big hello to my amazing audience. In today's video, I'm talking about anniversary cake designs, ideas in different styles, color combination and sizes. We are excited to share creative ways to celebrate our special day. Our channel is dedicated to helping you to make memorable events. We appreciate your support and your love. Your engagement means a word to us. We are glad you are here to learn and get inspired. Anniversary cakes are a great way to celebrate love and commitment. You can customize cake with photos, names, or special messages. Cakes come in various flavors and designs to suit your taste. We love seeing creative cake designs for anniversaries. Our channel is a hub for creative and fun ideas. We are sharing a tutorial and inspiration for parties and celebrations. Our goal is to help to make your event special and memorable. We are passionate about sharing our knowledge with you. Anniversary cake can be themed around your interests. You can add decorations like flowers, hearts, or balloons. Cakes are a delicious way to celebrate your love. We hope your ideas inspire you to create a beautiful anniversary cake. Don't forget to have fun and be creative. Anniversary cakes are a sweet way to say, I love you. We had loved to hear your ideas for anniversary cakes. Share your creations with us on social media. Don't forget to subscribe for more diet tutorial. Hit the notification bell for updates on new videos. We are always creating new content for you. Thanks for watching our videos on anniversary cake ideas. We hope you enjoyed learning about creative ways to celebrate. Happy anniversary to all lovely couples out there. We appreciate your support and your love. Don't forget to like and comment on your videos. We love hearing your feedback and suggestions. Thanks for again and thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you tomorrow in the next video. Stay tuned for more fun and creative content. Have a wonderful day. We can't wait to share more ideas with you. You're a part of our community and we are grateful. Keep celebrating and making. Thanks for being part of our channel community. We hope you have a great time making your anniversary cake. Don't hesitate to reach out of our have question. We are here to help our sport. Happy decorating and celebrating. May our anniversary be as sweet as a cake. We are looking forward to seeing your creations. Thanks for trusting with us your celebrations ideas. We appreciate your loyalty and support. We are glad you choose to spend time with us. We are honored to be a part of our celebration journey. Keep celebrating and making memories. You are a part of our community and we are grateful.